Hi, I'm Parris Lyew-Ayee. I need you to help me take charge at the GraceKennedy Foundation lecture. It's the 30th of the lecture series. It's a mix. It's going to be fun, it's going to be wild. You're going to laugh, you're going to cry. You're going to think you're going to enjoy yourself. I chose the title, Take Charge, in my usual style of wordplay. Technology is taking over, and charging over all of us. Decided a little wordplay could hurt. We're moving into a very exciting phase in Jamaica's history, and in fact in terms of the world, where we're heading with artificial intelligence, where we're headed with different technologies, self-driving cars and virtual reality, smart cities, smart nation, that's where we're headed. Join me at the Pegasus on March 7 or tune in online. You'll be able to enjoy yourselves. Looking forward to seeing you then.